So the tripod, one of the most useful things that you will ever have around camp. So if you have the hammock chair, they can be used for that. They can be used for sawhorses when it's scaled down. To show you an example of that, we can come over here where it's more of a natural, or we can come over here and you can see where it's braced up. Now when they're braced up, see how this comes across and braces up? I know the shadow is probably in your way, but you got your brace, you got a tripod. That brace can also be used as a grill. So if you lay sticks across that, get a fire underneath, you also have you a grill. So you can go from hanging a pot, hanging a chair, and hanging and making yourself a grill. On a larger scale, like when we come back over here, you can brace them all up again and make different layers. So you can have a low one here, another one here, we can come up here and come up here. You can close that in and you can create your own smoker. Now these smokers have been featured on all kinds of different survival shows. You know, N and A. It's been on Naked and Afraid. Been on The Alone, I believe. Multiple books. So this is just kind of a chat a little bit about teepees and tripods, because that's basically the next thing, would be a shelter. And I've got a video on that as well, and make sure you're clicking those end screens and clicking the cards. Like, share, subscribe as always. Stay safe, stay free, stay armed.